how to put audio and CapCut in your PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open up the CapCut in your PC. Go ahead and tap on import and you simply want to go ahead and import the video. Now once the video is imported, go ahead and drag it to your timeline. So in order to put the audio in your video, you want to go ahead and tap on this audio section and then you can find different kinds of audio right over here. If it does not satisfy you, you can simply go ahead and search for the song that you would like. Now the next way to put an audio in the CapCut video is simply tap on import and simply import the audio that you have in your PC. So the last way to put an audio in the video is simply record yourself. Go ahead and tap on this recording icon and then you can simply go ahead and tap on this red icon to record yourself talking. And as you can see that the audio is right over here. If you would like to stop it, go ahead and tap on this red icon again. And just like so, you'll then be able to put audio and the CapCut in your PC. That ends the video guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.